Hi, this is Dr. Green. We're looking at web assigned homework 7 and problem number 6. So they want us to see if there's a correlation between the following data. X, our independent variable, is going to be chocolate bars consumed per day, and Y is going to be marital satisfaction on a Likert scale from 1 to 7. So the setting here is that we've got a therapist that does family counseling, and she's measuring the relationship between chocolate and marital satisfaction. See, maybe chocolate will help your marriage. And so the wives here rated how satisfied they were in their marriage on this 7-point scale, and it was, the X variable was based on chocolate bars consumed per day. So using this, again, hypothetical data, let's find the Pearson correlation coefficient. So that's the R value. And the formula for the R value, if you grab that off the exam 3 formula sheet, is sum of squares of xy over square root of sum squares x, sum squares y. And the numerator right there is the sum of x minus the mean of the x values times y minus the mean of the y values for each one of these xy pairs. Well, notice that all the y values here are the same. So what that means is that the mean of the y values is just going to be 7. Okay, there's 5 values, they're all 7s. So if you add those up, 5 times 7 is 35, divide by 5 is 7. So what that means is for each one of these ordered pairs, for the first one, we've got x is 9 and y is 7. That first ordered pair is going to be the x value 9 minus the mean of the x's, which I'm not going to figure right now, and then times the y value 7 minus the mean of the y's, which is 7. But 7 minus 7 here is 0, so that value is going to zero out. So this is going to be 0 times a number here, which is going to be 0. Now that's just for that first ordered pair, so we're going to have some other terms here for 8, 7, 12, 7, 6, 7, 15, 7, but all of them have a y coordinate of 7, so all of them are going to have a number. The x value minus the mean of x is some number times 0. Well, a number times 0 is 0, so this is really just adding up 5 zeros. Because the second piece of the multiplication is always going to be 0, and that's 0. So that means that the top of this fraction is going to be equal to 0. So this is going to be 0 divided by the square root of sum squares x, sum squares y. And 0 divided by anything is 0. So we actually didn't need to do a lot of formal calculating here. If we were going to do this by hand, we'd extend the table here, and we'd use the other formula, probably not this one. But if you see all the x values are the same or all the y values are the same, then the covariance part of R, the numerator, will always turn out to be 0 because of this reason, because one piece of that product that you're adding up is always 0.